G'day everyone, Jaimunji here, and I am back once again with a brand new The Pretty Wild reaction. After that last one, I was like, Paradox, I was like, okay, this is legit. I need to check more of this out. Now, I've only checked out like one or two other songs, and it's only because someone sat down in the comments said they started off like country pop. Like I listened to Clint Eastwood or whatever it was called, and I was like, okay, all right, so they've definitely changed into what they are now. But I'm excited because everyone keeps raving on about this song in particular and that it's got an interesting breakdown. I don't know any more than that. I purposely kind of kept my eyes away so I wasn't, didn't have the surprise ruined. Let's just say that. So I'm excited. Let's get to it. Right, you beautiful people, I'm pretty excited for this one, actually. James even hyped this one up as well. So if you don't like watching these reactions, you can blame James, or if you love watching these reactions, you can praise James. Beautiful, beautiful man. But yeah, I'm keen to see what, like, he said this was the one that went viral, so I'm curious what that means. Maybe it was just the first big single to catch off, or maybe there is something in it. Like, he did mention the breakdown in particular, so excited. So hit that subscribe button, because if you don't, they'll come get me and take me away. And hit that like button as well. I don't know if that does anything, but I like watching the number go up. It releases the dopamine. Let's get into it. Sleepwalker! I really want to say something right there because I wasn't expecting to go straight into like the hip hop beat. But when she said narcolepsy and did the your narcolepsy, like did the that's hard to do while staying in key. I didn't think that was a thing you could do. Nice touch. It must have that would have just been a solo take in the studio, just like keep yawning and say narcolepsy. Nearly fumbled that, but yeah, just little things like that. I love finding in music. It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Stumble through the nights when I miss the mark. Acid tears leave a path of pastel scars. Somewhere between dream and sleep. Euphoria's a place I can't reach. I've seen visions in my tomorrows in the copper afterglow. I'm a sleepwalker. I've had dreams destroy the nightmares in the cosmic ebb and flow. I'm a sleepwalker. Feel myself in third person, talking to
I've got to say, this is interesting. This is definitely toned down compared to Paradox, but Paradox is just the whole time. But this has got that creepy vibe to it as well, which I like. The girls kind of look like Alexa Bliss. I don't know how the both of them do, but they both kind of do. I'm also curious, if you know, let me know down in the comments below, is the band still the same guys? I couldn't tell. One of them definitely looked familiar from the country stuff I saw. But yeah, I'd be interested to know. I'd be interested to know if they've ever mentioned why they changed styles. It's worked, don't get me wrong, but I'm curious.
walls as if they would listen to the shadow finger in my audience. Are you a demon or my guardian? It's more the metaphysical, a phantom of the chemicals, a venom of the fallible, falling at the pinnacle. Traumas and material, meant to be ethereal, the killing of the critical, lighting with the cynical. Codes to our futures, past out a path that was only ever built to crash, but I'll take it back. Put the power back in my hands. I've seen visions in my tomorrows in the copper afterglow. I'm a sleepwalker. I've had dreams destroy the nightmares in the cosmic ebb and flow. I'm a sleepwalker.
Before it gets into anything else, I love the rap parts in these. I don't really listen to rap at all outside of, well, I just don't. I used to when I was a teenager, but I just grew out of it. But I can appreciate it, especially when it's a good rhythm like that and you're just spitting fire. I love it when metal bands incorporate it. I think my favorite to do it at the moment is Paleface Swiss, because he does it while doing the screams. Like, bah, 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 bah. It's so rapid fire. Whitechapel as well. And, you know, Ronnie Radke. from Falling in Reverse. He mixes it in, but he more just like this does the rapping part. But I reckon it's cool. I reckon it's fucking cool. So we're coming up to the bridge. So I'm curious to what's going to happen. I really am.
Counting black sheep until my eyes bleed. Silent when I scream, can't stop from pulling out my own teeth. Counting black sheep until my eyes bleed. Silent when I'm choking all the time. Reaper, fear me!
No, guys, we're stopping. Okay, the cough, choking, and that was fucking sick. I haven't heard that before. It's 2025. Metal's been around for 50 odd years. I think that's the first time I've heard someone use a cough. Trust me, I've heard an artist cough live. Definitely happens, but never have I heard it purposely done to lead into a breakdown. That was fucking cool. That was really cool. And whatever that noise she did coming back, like almost like a gargle. When talking about Paleface Swiss, he kind of does that in My Blood on Your Hands. Different kind of sound, but same kind of premises. Fucking awesome. Awesome.
I've seen visions in my tomorrows in the copper afterglow. I'm a sleepwalker. I've had dreams destroying the nightmares in the cosmic ebb and flow. I'm a
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Let's go back slowly. Leave the credits up on the screen. Actually, let's get one of the girls. There we go. That's scary. Fuck. That was cool. That was cool, and it was different. That's what I liked about it. It was very much different to Paradox. It felt like the same band, but completely different flavor, and that's good. I worry sometimes when I check out these new bands that they're going to be copying and paste, and every song is just a slightly different arrangement of what they did before. But that was different enough where I thought that was really fucking cool. So hope you guys enjoyed that too. I will be doing more reactions to whatever comes out. I'm excited. I know the album is out in October, so we're not too far away from that. So there'll definitely be some more music video opportunities for me to do reactions to, so I'm keen for that. So hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. If you didn't see my last reaction, it's going to pop up on the screen here in a second, so go watch that. Do Jaimunji a good old favour. Until next time, well, I've been Jaimunji, and you'll have a bloody good one. Subscribe.